Hey everybody, good morning, it's Rob Moffett. Today we're going to be talking about what I found the last week or two in my weekly trash hunts on my e-bike going around the neighborhood. It's been very slim pickings. There's a lot of competition now. I've been seeing more people out and about looking for stuff when I go out that I never saw before. Also, the maintenance people here that work here, I see them all the time stopping at the places that I go, and they're looking through the piles. So I've got people who are getting paid an hourly wage to be doing their job, and they're out there looking in the trash pile. But so long as it's kept from being thrown in the trash truck on Thursdays, that's the main thing. I don't really care if I miss out on a deal here and there, so long as people are saving it from being thrown in the trash. Which brings us to this week's video of what I saved from the trash. I've saved 2 AM/FM cassette players from the 80s or maybe the 90s. I'm going to fix. One's a Sony and another one's a decent brand that I'm pretty sure the bands are broken. The cassette function doesn't work anymore, but I can hear them coming on. So I'm going to open them up. I ordered some bands and we'll be making a video about that, but this is what I want to talk about. Over the last few years, occasionally I find a painting or some art that was not a print, but it's been done by a person. It's a real piece of art. It's not, it was a copy. This is my latest one. The person's name was Mariana Andrade, 2003. First of all, they did a real nice job in framing it. This was all messed up. It had been out in the rain. Part of the painting had stuck to the frame, and I took the backing off. It was all wet and soggy, and it was going to be in the trash on Friday. It was going to be in the garbage truck. So I took it home and I cleaned it up and put it back together. Very nice composition. You've got these geometric shapes here, and then the clouds coming down at that angle, and in the middle you've got the nice little shapes and things going on here with the houses and the church and so on, and a tree off to the side and the mountain in the distance. It's rural, pastoral, but it's peaceful. But it could be from 10 years ago, 100 years ago, 1,000 years ago. It's human beings settling the land, living out under the skies, and the sun and the moon and the wind. And you've got a nice feeling going on there. And the colors, very warm. And like I said, the choice of colors and the composition. I like how these plots of land give it attention, a little energy going on there, and they're reinforced by the sky. Real nice. The more you look at it, the more you like it. And there was something about it. I see paintings all the time, and most of them are pretty generic, but this one, it was a real painting. Real nice. And everything about it shows attention to color and shape and light. Not a lot of light and shadow going on, but definitely a nice play with the colors. Very peaceful. So that's another one of my paintings that I saved from the trash truck that was made by somebody that was going to just be crunched into nothing and buried under dirt. But not this one. Not yet anyway. One day I'll do a full video of all of them, and I'll be posting a video soon on how the repair of the cassette player came out. Looking forward to doing that. Alright, all you trash aficionados, hope you're doing good out there. Take care. See you out there.